Today, children, we are going to learn the poem The Pilgrim. It is written by an anonymous poet. Now, anonymous means we do not know who has written this poem, but it has been taken from another poem, The Bridge Builder, which is written by Will Allen Drumgoole. Before we begin, let's first recite the poem. The Pilgrim. A pilgrim going a lone highway came at evening cold and grey to a chasm deep and vast and wide. The old man crossed in the twilight dim. The chasm held no fear for him, but he paused when he reached the other side and built a bridge to span the tide. Old man, said a fellow pilgrim near, why waste your time in building here? Your journey ends with the close of the day. You never again will pass this way. You have crossed the chasm deep and wide. Why build here at eventide? The pilgrim raised his old grey head. My friend, in the path I have come, he said, there followeth after me today a fair-haired youth who must pass this way. The chasm which held no fears for me, to the fair-haired youth may a pitfall be. He too must cross in the twilight dim. My friend, I am building this bridge for him. So now let's read each line and understand it. A pilgrim going a lone highway. A pilgrim means a person or people who travel on religious reasons to another place for worship. Now, हिंदी में देखा जाए तो जो लोग तीर्थ यात्रा पे जाते हैं उन्हें कहते हैं pilgrim. So here the poem is about a pilgrim and he was traveling alone on a highway. Now the highway which he was traveling, there nobody else was there. Now in the olden days, people used to travel by foot, especially in the religious places. And even today in some places, people travel by foot, means they go walking. So the beginning of the poem starts with telling us about the pilgrim who was traveling alone on a highway. Came at evening cold and grey. So now this means as he was traveling, now it was evening time. And the poet is telling us that the evening was very cold and it was grey. Now grey here means that there were rain clouds, means it was going to rain. Or you can even say that the sun has just set and it is getting dark. He reached to a chasm deep and vast and wide. Now chasm means any gap in the surface of the earth. मतलब खाई. ये जो खाई मतलब जो chasm था, that was very vast, means it was very big and wide. The old man crossed in the twilight dim. The chasm held no fear for him. Now here the poet is telling us that the old man means a pilgrim in dim light, that is the twilight. Now twilight means it is a time when the sun is about to set. So now we know that it is evening time and the sun is just setting. So the light is very little. It is not very bright as we see during the daytime. So twilight means dim. Dim light means very less light. So the old man means the pilgrim was able to cross the chasm very easily because he was an experienced traveler. And maybe इस रास्ते से उन्होंने बहुत बार travel भी कर चुके थे. That's why he had no fear to travel from this way. But he paused when he reached the other side. Now here the poet is telling us that he did not go walking all his way, but he waited, means he paused over there for a moment and he thought and built a bridge to span the tide. So after waiting, he thought about something and he started building a bridge across, because there was a chasm and it was deep, it was very wide, it was very big. And so he started building a bridge at that time to span the tide. Now span the tide means to cross over, and tide means here it could be water. Old man, said a fellow pilgrim near, why waste your time in building here? Now here there is another traveler, means another pilgrim, and he's seen that this old man is building a bridge. Now he started thinking, when this old man has already crossed a chasm, why is he building the bridge? We may also think, or we may find it funny, कि जबकि उन्होंने वो चैसम को जो खाई थी उसे ऑलरेडी क्रॉस कर चुके थे, तो और क्यों ब्रिज बांध रहे हैं? And it was evening time and getting darker. So another pilgrim asked, hey old man, why are you wasting your time building the bridge when you have already crossed it? Your journey ends with the close of the day. You never again will pass this way. So here the pilgrim is telling the old man that your journey will end at the close of the day. Now close of the day means end of the day. And you will never come again, or you will never pass from this way. So why are you wasting your time? You have crossed the chasm deep and wide. Why build here at eventide? So now the fellow pilgrim continues and he still cannot understand. So he says, you have already crossed the chasm which was so deep, so wide. So why are you building this bridge now? A is an old way of saying you. So why are you wasting your time at this eventide? Now eventide means evening time. The pilgrim raised his old grey head. My friend, in the path I have come, he said. So now the pilgrim, he stops and he tries to give answers to whatever questions were asked by the fellow pilgrim. So he raised his old grey head. Now old grey head means the person was old and he had white hair. Now we don't say it as white hair, but when we speak, we say it as grey hair. So the old man said, my friend, in the path I have come. So now he is telling the reason. He is saying on the path means on the way which he has travelled. There followed after me today a fair-haired youth who must pass this way. So he is saying that there is also another traveller and he is a young person, fair-haired youth. Means a very young person who must pass this way. So he is travelling on the same road and he will come near this chasm. The chasm which held no fears for me. To the fair-haired youth may a pitfall be. So the old man is telling him that the chasm is very deep and big, and I did not fear it because I was an experienced person. I have travelled from here many times, so I did not get scared. But the young fair youth means a young boy, he will be an unexperienced person, so he will not be able to cross the chasm as I did, and so it may be a pitfall for him. Now pitfall here could be that the person could die while crossing this chasm. So this was the reason the old man gives to the other fellow pilgrim. He too must cross in the twilight dim. My friend, I am building this bridge for him. So here the pilgrim says that it is twilight time, means it is evening time, and that the young traveller will also reach over here any time. He also may have to cross this chasm during the evening time, and because it is evening, because it has dim light, he will not be able to see the chasm very clearly. So therefore, I am building this bridge for him. So children, this poem gives us a message of helpful old man. Now bridge signifies the connection between two generations, that is, the old generation and the new generation. So we find that the older generation has done a lot of things for the younger generation. So children, I feel you all have understood this poem. Thank you.